Donald Trump just launched the biggest meme coin of all time, which ran from $200 million market cap to over $20 billion market cap in few hours. Now, most of the big exchanges are listing this coin, and some persons are saying this coin is going to flip Doge to become the #1 meme coin in the crypto space in the next few months. And the entire crypto space right now is going bonker. All of that I'll talk about in this video. But before we do that, let's look at some interesting thing about this coin which can help you make money next time. So first, look at the coin right here. The name is Official Trump. You can see it here. Currently sitting at $4.8 billion and FDV is $24 billion. The simple thing I want to show you is how you can find early buyers, so you can actually use that information to do whatever you want to do. But to do that, let's change this type to buy. And then for the date, we'll look at for when this coin was actually created. So this coin was launched around 3 a.m. on the 18th. So I'm gonna click on date right now, and I'll click right here, and this is 18th. So I'll bring this to 3 a.m. and then that's done. And then the next one is this right here. I'm going to click on it, and I'll set it at still 18th. I will do 10 minutes after 3, and I'm going to click on apply. So right here, you can see some wallets that bought into this coin very early. This guy right here bought with $50. And when you put your cursor right here, you can see, although he bought another one again, but right now his total worth is $13,000. Imagine investing $250 just to make $13,000. The next person bought with $217, and then you actually bought with more money again to almost $2,000, but he has made $17,000. This guy right here bought with $65 and has made $3,200. You can see how crazy this is. This one bought with $600. Okay, and then you can easily track the earliest persons that bought this coin. And for you to get their wallet, just click right here, and it's going to open up their wallet, and you can see some of the coins they are holding. You can also go ahead to track it. If you've been following me on this channel, you should actually know how to track their wallets to see if they are profitable, and you can start copying their trade or look at the coins they are actually buying and then see if it's a very good coin to buy so that you can buy. That way you get early entrance into this particular coin. Now, so let's go to the first question, which is this coin going to flip Doge? Well, this is sitting at $23 billion right here, and the market cap is just about $5 billion. But let's go to coin market cap, and you can see Dogecoin right here, which is sitting at $57 billion. Well, for Trump coin to surpass this number, all it simply has to do is the rest of the tokens have to be unlocked, which will bring the market cap to around $24 billion. Now, what it only has to do is to do a 100%, and this coin is going to be sitting at $50 billion. So you can see that it needs just about 150% for it to exceed Doge very well to become #1 meme coin in the crypto space. So, but the question is, will that be possible? Well, that might be possible because right here, Donald Trump is about to be inaugurated the President of America in the next 2 days. And it's going to be really easy for it to surpass Doge if Trump is coming out to promote this coin a lot. Maybe right here he has posted just one post, which got about 38 million views. Now, just imagine if he comes out again to post another thing about this coin. This coin is going to move really hard. And then imagine if people like Elon Musk actually come out to start promoting this coin also. You can see that this coin would do really, really well. But Dogecoin is actually the OG meme coin, and it has the backing of Elon Musk and some big guys in the space already. So it's going to be really, really difficult for that to happen. But if Trump is able to promote this coin a lot, I believe it's going to be the #1 meme coin in the crypto space. Now, let's go to the question, which is, should I go ahead to invest in this coin? Well, this coin is actually sitting in the billions of market cap already. And you have to ask yourself the question, how much are you actually investing into this coin? If you're using small capital to invest in it, now it all depends, because at $24 billion FDV, if this coin is able to run to $100 million market cap, that's around 300% of your investment. Which means if you invested something like $10, you haven't actually made reasonable money from investing in it, except like you're using bigger capital. That's where you tend to make a lot more money. Although some persons might be okay with making $1,000 or $2,000 or thereabouts by investing small. But if you have bigger capital, I think like this is actually a safe bet, because everyone knows that this is the #1 citizen in the entire world, and he might not do something wrong to jeopardize this thing, because this could literally give him a very terrible name in this world, and he's going to do everything within his own capacity to make sure that this is going to do very well. But I would say if you have small capital, just leave out on this coin and focus on other coins because the return is actually very small. But if you have huge money and you want to play around and see if you can make something good in the next few months from now, you can actually go ahead to invest in it. So guys, this is all of it about this coin. But one particular thing I will tell you not to joke with is look out for those early buyers and see if you can capitalize on that to find the next one that is going to run really hard. And do have to follow me on all of my social media platforms, especially Twitter and Telegram, because this is where I share some of these alphas very early. I'm going to leave all links in the description. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.